Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. We're gonna show you how to hard reset your Galaxy Tab A8. So as you see, we have a password which we don't remember the password to our tablet, so we have to turn off it, then hard reset. So first of all, to start turn off your tablet, you have to press and hold volume down and power button together. Keep holding this both key. After the tablet will turn off, you have to press and hold volume up and power button. After you see the logo of Samsung, release power button still holding volume up. It's a little bit complicated, but watch at my hand and do the same. So volume down, power button, keep holding both the key, keep holding, yes. Volume up, power button, keep holding. Release power button, still holding volume up, keep holding. Still keep holding until you see the recovery menu. Keep holding. Keep holding. Yep. Release all the key. Now we have a menu. From you're gonna choose by volume down to wipe data factory reset, accent by power, volume down on factory reset, accent by power. And now your tablet is formatting data, everything will be erased. Of course the passcode and password will be deleted, of course, too. And be sure, because of all your data will be delayed forever. Okay, accept by power to reboot system now, and your tablet will start with the new brand firmware without any password and passcode on the tablet. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave comment, or leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!